just unboxing. Hope you had an amazing Christmas. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while, a long while, a while on top of a while. And I have a Christmas gift unboxing. Or just showing what I get for Christmas, because like, it's Christmas. Well, Christmas done gone. But I just want to keep y'all in the loop, right? So yeah.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to the welcome back once more. I have a little video for y'all. I'll be doing an unboxing or just showing you what all I got for Christmas for gifts. This video is just because it's Christmas time, you know, it's like people always in the spirit of giving and things like that. So most of these gifts were unexpected. So I just want to show you and be like, hey, I just hope y'all had an amazing Christmas. And I hope the New Year's is going to be awesome as well. Even if you don't get nothing, you know, eat that day, so that was a blessing. And probably had fruits like the apples or so. Or even if you just spend time with the people that we want to love, that was a gift in itself, right? So I'll be showing y'all what I got for Christmas. Just because I want to post a video, so I have to come up with something for post. So yeah. Don't mind me, but yeah, so I'll be showing you all what I got. I think I should start from the smallest gift. Actually, I never really expect nothing for Christmas, right? I just buy things for myself and to give people gift, and then when I look bomb today, I get gift too, and I was like, wow, thank you, right? But yeah. So one of the first gifts I got, ding 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 ding, on a ready for seat, I got myself this on a seat. Yeah, baby. And these are fire, I did tell you no. They smell nice. That's so nice scent, like legit. I put it on and I wash my clothes and the scent still dip on my clothes. Like honestly, I want a bigger one now though, because I just buy it because I never know how it smell, and then when they ship it to me, this one is black opium. I did hold it the wrong way. Yeah, see them. And then they have the regular YSL, and it's so cute, bro. Like honestly, I must say I buy myself a bigger set. So this is one of the gifts I got myself. Like, I don't know, I just feel like if you want people to treat you a certain way, like if you want to set a standard for how you want to be treated, you have to treat yourself that's the exact way. You can't expect for people where you don't get yourself. So yeah. So this is one of my gifts. I love it. I'm allergic to a lot of things, and I think they have sent me a really strong. Well, it lasts long, but you know, mess with my allergies, to be honest. So yeah, and I was wearing it on Christmas Day, so it's a YSL set. I got another set too. My sister got me, like, this time I surprised too. I never know she would get me this. Me and she just exchange gifts with each other for no reason, but yeah. So I got this. It's confetti cake pop Bath and Body. Like, it smells similar to warm vanilla, and I love that scent. I just have like 3 sets of that, like as one done I buy next one type thing. And this smells similar to it, so yeah. And next thing, this is another gift I got myself. Like, why not? It's come on, name, close the thing. It's a MK. It's supposed to be a well, I wear it as a crossbody. It's MK. But yeah, it's real nice, cute, and everything. I put like my phone in there, money, whatever, when I'm going out for Christmas Day. The next gift I got myself. The next gift I got myself. I still get cut out of the camera too. Is this Fossil watch? Comes with the watch, and then these bracelets, these two. Why hook up like that? You could tighten with the string, and then this one by itself. So like this, it's really cute. Why are they upside down? Yeah, so I got myself that. So that's gift number 4. I never know I get so much gift. Then this other gift was a surprise. I got it from my brother. He gave me it. I never know he's so creative. I still don't think he is creative, but who don't know I have a small business. So they got me my name on the cup, Krista, and then the name of my small business. It was a show back with KKK Collections. And then on this side, I really like this. It's a under his wings you will find refuge, Psalms 91:4. This is nice. This is my second yeti. I have a white one too. So yeah, this is my 5th gift. And then let's go on to the bigger gifts. The next gift I got myself. Is it upside down? Yeah, I got myself this. It's what do you call that? What keep it slide? What leather slide? And here's it. It's too cute. Like, it's really nice. I got it in 5.5. I'm usually a 6, but it fits nice still. Like, it fits exact. Yeah. And that ooh.
And I ooh.
But yeah, I got myself that. Then another gift that I got, we did a KK exchange as siblings, and my sister got me, and I asked for a queen set. So this is the queen bedspread set. I don't want to take it out, but I can show y'all. Open it at least. Like, it's a nice, it feels nice, like really nice. And then it's wait a second, it's Scarlet Classic microfiber bed sheet set, and it called with a full flat sheet, a full fitted sheet, and 2 standard pillowcase. So yeah, I asked for this for my gift, and she got it. Period. And then the last and final gift, she got me. Sorry y'all, but I want to snack for something. Fire. Chilling chips. So the last and final gift. Yeah. That the last gift? Oh. I'm gonna get myself the dress. The fit to wear on Christmas Day. I just drop a pic, yeah. The last and final gift, I asked for this for my KK. It's a rug for my room. And if you can see, she got it to match the bedspread. So like, I don't clean my room, but I will clean it again. So I got a rug too for my room. Sort of like, I don't know, this Christmas is really nice. Like, all of these were unexpected. I literally just my plan to spoil myself and sorry. Oh, lime, pepper, and spoil the people in my family. And one or two other people were special to me. And that's how it turned out, and that me just like really nice. I like, wow, you know. But actually think about me type. Yeah. Oh yes guys, well, that isn't the final gift. Like I said, my little sister got me a whole bunch of Shein clothes, like a whole bunch. It's a name of including shades and uppers. So let me know if you want me to do a Shein haul. So I got a lot of gifts, like legit a lot of gifts. Like, we just constantly spoil each other, and I love it. I love it here. So yeah. Oh yes, I hear that I don't know had COVID during this Christmas time. I just want to send out kisses and hugs to during this time. Like, probably locked up in your room all alone, and this have time to spend it family, but just know God knows best. And when we have it again, no must say what safe and sound. And as long as you come out alive, just know that we're blessing and God not finished with you yet. Just stay strong in this time. I know I can see my video, and I hope that encourage but yeah, thank you for watching my video, guys. Like I made said earlier, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, make your auntie, granny, cousin, sister, friend see, and just share the thing, like the thing, comment on the thing, whatever. Just show some love. I appreciate it, even if that's 40 or 50 or 60 or 100 or continue run up their videos. I still got a part 2 for the surprise. I will drop that too. But yeah, subscribe guys. Hit this the red button where I sit down here. Subscribe to it. Subscribe to my channel. And yeah guys, thanks for everything. Thanks for the support. I'm not gonna do this without none like really supportive, and I appreciate that. So yes guys, continue like, comment, subscribe, support it. And tell me if you want to Shein haul with all the clothes that my sister sent for me. Drop it below if you want the Shein haul, and I will drop a video too with that phone, right? Thank you guys once more. See you in the next video. I appreciate like, comment, share. Bye bye. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment ideas, because I'm not really creative like that. I literally do this for fun, like what I always say. And yeah, be sure to like, the video, comment ideas, or just comment the part where you like the best, or just comment something nice. I'm gonna comment back.